So this is the old-fashioned pool hall in Block C. We got Richard Humphreys, me, playing against my good buddy Tyler and my roommate. Tyler's a good shot. I just got him on the ropes right now. And, ooh, just made that ball in. Now I'm going for the little bank shot. Let's see if I can pull it off. Sucks that I cut the footage out because I totally made it. Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I was late to class. As you can tell, I'm skating pretty aggressively. A little pan shot for Richard there. And I don't know why I'm whistling so much. I must have had a problem when I was younger. Yeah, so just about to bomb this hill down to the university. And I'm using the GoPro Hero Max. Yeah, so just getting some wide angle shots here with this Max. You can get some overhead 360 videos, and this actually shoots in 5.3K. I'm starting to pick up speed right now and dodging through traffic. I mean, just joking, there's no cars. Yeah, as you can tell, just using the carver. I constantly check back on the camera just to see if I'm in resolution and in focus. And the cool thing about this Hero Max is you can actually pan to different angles while filming. It's in the reframe GoPro player. So as you can see right here, I actually increased the lens focus and getting an overhead shot as well. The overhead shots are probably the best. Actually, about to bomb this hill real quick, but yeah, they're the best for the Hero Max, so it really shows into perspective how fast you actually are going. Nice sunset as well. I'm starting to pick up speed right now, a little speed bubbles. Oh, you could tell I was kind of anxious there. Yeah, so now just starting to taper off, getting to the point, just about to be making the right onto Craven, and about to make it. Ooh, can he make it? Ooh, just did. Alright. So this is a little time lapse, walking to the campus. In about a split second, you're going to see my good buddy Sam real quick. I don't know why he's smiling. Probably must have got a happy ending. Moving forward, and that's good for Sam, going to class. So a little panoramic shot. Class got out 2 hours early. Not expected. Just kind of cruising down the parking lot. Little shot of the sunset. And yeah, picking up speed. I love using my carver. It's always been a good friend of mine. And a second here, I'm going to get some speed and going to try to get around this corner, and BAM! My backpack goes fine. Almost fell off my back. Still in shock. I'm still looking back if anyone saw that. And BAM. Super excited because tonight we're actually going to go play night golf with Tyler and James. This next video you're going to see in a second. So just signing off from here. So just transitioning into the night golf aspect. As you can tell, I am the one singing. It is from Final Fantasy, and we were playing with LED golf balls. Tyler Kelly bought, of course, and Tyler's got a nice birdie putt here, about a 10-footer. Let's see if he can drain this. And wow, just did. How he lights up that cup. There we go, and he takes it out, and look at that victory dance right there, ladies and gentlemen.
This button, right? Watch this. Watch this. You can't pick a
Old pickleball action after El Camino. Richard to the right, Ty to the left. And showing a little volley action with a pan-out camera. Just a beautiful shot.
Nice serve.
Yes, so you're gonna keep it out, right? So drive it one with the left, drive it to the left. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, this is Richie Humphreys, Bombing Hills, Carlsbad edition. Groove House Week Stars Morning.
yeah, so signing off now, ending. Completely no idea where I'm going. I'm walking inside my car shed.
It's car shed. It's not car.
Yeah.
Garage.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
it's not a garage. Yeah. Yeah, bye.